Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm KAVIARKEZ. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we are going to be installing this wig. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to flawlessly install a frontal wig without any glue. If you want to find out all the details about today's wig and the install and my tips and tricks, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Tinashe Hair. I love working with Tinashe Hair. I think this is about my 9th review for them. I love me some Tinashe Hair. Today what I have installed is 20-inch 13x4 HD frontal wig. This is in the 200% density. This wig did not come looking fully like this. I did bleach the knots and I did pre-pluck the wig off camera. Again, we're going to be doing a no bald cap install. Okay, so this is the hairline after I plucked it. I think it looks pretty good. So fun fact, you guys, anytime you see a lace wig and it has like this frilly, like fringy part towards the end, that tells me from my experience that it is a true HD lace. So this wig should melt down pretty easily. Today we're going to work in sections. We really want a clean install. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with the wig dealer spray today. Lately that's been my thing, you guys. Yeah, that looks about a right amount of forehead for me for today. This is how I would do an install if I was not recording myself and like I had something somewhere really important to go. So I'm really just gonna take my time. If you want to make your wig install like go very smoothly and like not have a bunch of hair coming down the front and getting messy, I would say when you're pre-styling your wig, make sure that you push the hair back and hot comb it so it's kind of like already pressed in the direction that you want it to go. There's a hair trapped under there. Remove that. So the first coat I like to dry a bit, and then the second coat I'll apply wet. Position the wig where I want it, and then hit it with the blow dryer. I'm gonna go on with a damp rag, clean that up. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. I just have this side to do, so I'm gonna do this side off camera and then come back. So we have completed the other side. Before we move forward, I'm going to go in with the Ebin Melt Spray and spray it. This spray bottle sucks. The knob is getting like stuck. I'm gonna put my band on, and then I'm really gonna stretch it though because I want to tie it. I don't want to use the clip. So what I like to do is just pull it up and off. Okay. I can see just the slightest amount of like buildup in the product. I'm going in with some foundation on the sides, just like along the front of the hair. And look at her, you guys. This is what she looks like after being melted. So if you wanted, you could definitely wear it all up because she's beautiful. Tiny spot where I over bleached, just right here. So I'm gonna go in with my little dye pen and fix that up real quick. You can come in, come. Okay, I'm going in with some wax stick. Hey, Winston. Check out Winston. I feel like I want to do some baby hairs. But this is how it looks, guys, without any baby hairs. We don't need it. I just want it for the style. It's just giving big forehead. I've actually had Winston the longest. Out of all of my pets, Winston has been around the longest. Hello, Miko. Hi, Miko. Oh, Maui and Miko. Hi, Maui. Girl. Good girl. Lay down, Mix. No! Oh my god. Are you okay, Miko? Did you break a leg? You can't jump down. That's too high. I'm gonna use my eyebrows to measure it. This is what I learned in school. If you don't want to burn yourself, you put like a comb, or the clients. You don't want to burn the client, you put a comb underneath.
Now let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride?
The gel that I'm using is also by Eben.
You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
There is just something about you that I need to know.
So again, remember guys, we're going for like a flawless install without glue, right? So this is just something that I would do if I'm like really trying to make sure that this install is flawless. You just really gotta take your time. You can use kind of whatever kind of powder you want. This is another one that I got from the Dollar Tree.
Across the room right at you. Come get to know me better. There is just something about you.
Okay, that's definitely too light.
I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Okay guys, that is the finished product. What do we think? This is, I would say, a flawless install for me. Of course, nothing is ever perfect, and there are some things that, you know, I would like to change or fix, but if I played around with this hair forever, I probably would still find something that I would want to change. So at some point, you just gotta be like, okay, this is where we're at, I'm gonna move on, right?
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe.
Guys, I'm just not happy with those baby hairs. So being the perfectionist that I am today, you know, like to go in and fix things and just have it exactly the way that I want it.
All in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I hear replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you
It did come with a slightly plucked hairline, but I knew that I wanted to really finesse this hairline to really look melted, so I went ahead and plucked it. So as you can see, it's just giving very natural. I plucked the entire unit, and I plucked quite a bit of hair out of the hairline. Again, it is 200% density. This wig has so much hair, it's unbelievable. Like when it's in its dry state, like just straightening it took me a long time because it had a lot of hair. And it's not that it wouldn't get straight, it's just there was so much hair to press out. Now I got it bone straight. Like the amount of hair that's on this is definitely double the amount. When they say 200%, I would say yes, because a lot of straight wigs, the density total is like this one side, and you get double that, you guys. What I would, you know, maybe do with this one is, what I will do is just go in and trim off the little scragglies. You see these little scragglies? They don't really do the wig justice. So go in, trim that up. Now, I don't advise you doing it standing up, but just trim it a little. Probably have to redo this, I'm sure, once I have the wig off of my head. But just to get an idea, just to clean it up, it's a really long 20-inch. I would say this wig is longer than 20-inch. This is definitely one of the best wigs that I've received. I would say this is a wig that you can wear for a few days or a week or so without washing it. The hair texture is also very dense. It is not a super light hair. This hair has some weight to it, which I love. The luster is just beautiful. It is A1 quality. I'm obsessed. I would say you guys should definitely run over there and get you one. Get it in this density, because this density is next level. You know when you get wigs, sometimes it looks thin, but this one does not. This looks like you have bundles in your hair, especially if you just trim the ends like that. Love it. 10 out of 10. If you guys want to find this wig, I'm going to leave all the information to Tinashe Hair in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and share it with a friend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave me that thumbs up. It really does go a long way. If you made it this far into the video, you really are the MVP of the day, and I really do appreciate it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye!